Alright guys, here we are with an unboxing, my first unboxing. I believe that not too long ago I ordered a palette and I think that's what it is, but let's see. See how hard that tape is? Oh my god. At least you know if the package is secure. Sorry for the background music. My son is listening to Baby Shark. Oh my. Is my first Jaclyn Hill palette. Just fresh out the package. Let's see what it says. Blend the rules. It says blend the rules, not bend the rules. That's really cool. I think that's a really nice message for when it comes to makeup. You know, there's not really any rules when it comes to makeup except for, of course, making it look really nice and flawless. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, I'm sure you guys probably have already seen a million of reviews on this too, so I would probably just be doing like a look with the palette and not a review, or I could just give my own personal opinion after the look. But I know that, I don't know, I just feel like you guys have probably already seen a bunch of reviews on this, so maybe I talk about the quality of the palette, but also how the look performs, and of course the plastic. Oh my god, I know that this is one of her best because of the colors she chose is colors that are being used a lot now. Oh my god, thank you Jaclyn. This is amazing. Can't wait to dig in. So I'll catch up with you guys on my next video. Bye.